Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And yeah, I'm in the container again. Windy day today, so I could work in here because the wind is coming from that direction, so it's not bothering me with the doors open. Anyway, today I did a little bit more organizing. I got some of my other tools that have been scattered all around the place, all aligned here, and I got them marked on the handles and sides of the boxes of what they are. That multi-tool, I've been looking all over for that. I couldn't find it. Well, I found it, so it's here now. I know where it is. All right, one of the other things I was doing today was playing around on the milling machine. Well, not really playing around. You see the piece of metal I got in there? Yeah, it's got 3 little knobs on it. I'll show you what that's all about. Here I got this this unit here that has a handle like this that's supposed to go on here. Well, it broke right there because it's made of Bakelite, and it just cracked across there, so it fell off. Well, without a handle on here, I can't make it crank. So a little earlier, I made this little piece because the Bakelite handle that went on here broke off. So I've got this one on here now, so I can still use it. But I need this piece right here. That's what you saw in the milling machine over there. Actually, it's in the lathe right now. And this will be the other handle for it. It's going to go on the front one here after I finish this piece. So if we come back over here, as you can see, I've got the broken piece right here. So I was taking the measurements off of the broken piece and working on this. Now this does have the Bakelite handle on it, but as you can see, it's already got a crack in it, and part of it fell off, and that's just not going to last much longer, so I just made a whole new one. So now I've got to take this out of here and drill some holes in it. One will be for the handle, and the other one will be for where it fits over the square shaft. So in order to make sure I got those aligned, you can see I made a mark along there. And how did I make that mark? Well, I set my chuck in a certain position, and then I cranked the bit in until it just touched the edge of the metal, and then I rotated the unit into place until it scratched the line straight along that one side. So now I know that all 3 of those lines are all lined up, so it won't be one offset to the other, and you slap your knuckles every time you turn the crank. You don't want that, right? All right, so that's what I got done here. I got a lot of aluminum scrap here, and I'm saving that stuff up. I don't throw that out. Keeping it in this bucket right down here, because I will be making a furnace to melt that stuff, and I'll melt that back down into ingots, and then down the line I can sell the aluminum ingots if I don't get into forging myself. Now this little piece right here was the end piece that was on this bar, and it had a hole drilled in the front and a hole drilled in the side, and it was not very good, so I cut that off and then started my new piece there. So here's all the tools that I had to use, my calipers and my micrometer. And in here I actually have really good micrometers, but I didn't need them for something like this. This is not perfect engineering. This is just making a part that I need because I can't buy one. So I'll make the part and then I'll put that tool back in service. Cool, huh? Pretty neat toe. Neat toe. Neat toe. Hey, that's a neat toe. No, that's my knee up here. My toe's down there. All right. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. All my dogs are missing except for Susie Q. She's the only one still hanging around here. Everybody else is gone. I don't know where they're gone. But they usually come home for supper, which will be in about an hour. So I'll bet you they'll all be back here for supper. Makes me feel used. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.